Twillory, we're working with them. If you know, we've worked with them before. I don't know if I shared some of their stuff, or actually, this is my second time. So I've worked with Twillory before, but I don't think I shared anything on social media with them. But if you do follow me, you've probably seen some of their the content that they're advertising, and it's a video of like their performance shirt and the pants that I did for them, and that one's been going around for over a year now, and I think it's still going on till this day. So really good stuff. I wear their clothes all the time. I was actually wearing their pants the other day. Really good stuff. I love it. It's super comfortable, and we are working with them right now on their new Houndstooth suits. So they sent that over, so let's check it out. One of my concerns is the last time I bought a suit, I was a size 34 for the coat, and I gained a little bit of weight, and their small size is a 36. So they sent me a 36. I don't know how it's gonna fit. Ugh. But it's in this big ass box. If you don't have one, get a multi-tool. Does everything. All right. You know what? It might be easier to just set it right there. How about that? No. Dos. Tres. And that's it. Okay, so first I think those are the jackets. This is the performance shirt. So, oh, no wait. Okay, cool. So, I have one of their performance shirts. It fits really nicely. Love the material, and it's very form-fitting. Except the one I have has blue buttons. So this one's really cool that I got the classic white one. So we got that for the suits. These are the Houndstooth pants. So let's check it out. And they come in two colors. I believe one's gray and one is navy. So there it is, the Houndstooth pants. It has the grip on the waistband, and that helps keep your shirts tucked in. So that's one thing I really like about their pants. Shirts are tucked in, material's super soft, and it fits just like the performance pants I have, which are in blue. So this is the gray Houndstooth. And then I believe this one's the blue one. Yep. Or navy, I guess. You could see the color. And that's the blue one, the blue Houndstooth. Alright. It's always cool when you get to work with brands that you're a fan of. Okay, so this is the suit. The suit jacket, excuse me. Yeah, it's 36. Whoa! Little wrinkly, but as expected, it was folded up this whole time. I don't know if you could see the texture, but it's exactly like the pants. So here's the moment of truth to see if it fits. Mind you, I'm wearing an oversized tee. So it's a 36 short. I was thinking, oh, maybe I might have to get it tailored, but wow, it fits pretty well. Guess I got fat. It's double vents. Sleeves fit nicely. No, I don't think I have to take it to the tailor. Woo! Yeah, the material's just like the pants. You got the Twillory logo pocket. Wow, there's a zipper pocket right here. That is pretty neat. Another pocket. Very nice. Guess I'm a 36 now. Okay. Put this one back. Let's try on the gray one. Dun, 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 dun. Can you see that one? Gray. That's the inside. Ugh. Dun, 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 dun. These ones have black buttons. Probably looks silly because I'm on the floor, but fits. 36 short. Good fit. Lots of movement. I'm feeling it. Sweet. Alright, well, that does it for things I need to be opening today.